Have you ever rubbed a balloon on your head and made your hair stand up? Or gotten zapped when touching a doorknob? That's static electricity in action. Remember to like and subscribe to keep up with a dose of science. So what exactly is it? Static electricity happens when tiny particles called electrons build up on a surface, usually from friction, like rubbing your feet on a carpet. When the charge imbalance gets big enough, it leaps between objects as a sudden spark. But here's the cool part: static electricity is more than just a shock. It can cause dust to stick to screens, make plastic wrap cling to everything, and even help printers work. And here's a fact most people don't know: lightning is just a massive form of static electricity. The same charge buildup that zaps your hand is what powers bolts of lightning splitting the sky. So next time you feel a tiny spark, remember, it's the same invisible force that electrifies storms and moves mountains of energy in a flash.